Release number 2. You want to sit on the floor, just like I am here, with your leg in this position. If for some reason this hurts your knee, go ahead and then put your knee on top of your ankle. If that still doesn't feel good, then you can kind of lay maybe with your leg in this position. So now that your leg is in this position, go ahead and turn the integrator on to maybe a 1 or maybe a 2. I'm going to turn it on a 2. Then just like we did with release 1, we're going to run along this area, this line right here from the ankle bone all the way to the knee. So from here to here, run along this line right here. So the great thing about the fork attachment is it has that space so that you can get both sides of the bone without touching the bone, the fibula bone, as you go up and down, just like this. And then you can angle the gun so that you can get a little bit more pressure on the backside where the fibularis muscle is. Great muscle to release if you're wanting to free up ankle mobility, and also it can get into releasing. This actually can help release the hamstrings and even create a release in the sacrum or the low back. So just run back and forth. Again, look for a tender spot, hang out in that tender spot for about a minute or so, and then you can go up and down the back of the leg just like that. All right, so that's release number 2.